Today we're going to discuss the Sweeney or MacSweeney coat of arms. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we offer genealogy research service at our website. Please visit us at coadb.com. First coat of arms to discuss is blazoned Argent, a lion in chief, and a boar in base, both passant gules. This was the first officially recorded arms borne by Murragh MacSweeney, who was taken prisoner in 1267. And next we have three boars passant sable, for Sween of Knapdale in Argyll, Scotland. There was John McSween and his brothers, granted the ancestral lands of Knapdale in 1310 by King Edward III. Next we have MacSweeney Fanad, or however you pronounce that, this branch of the family. In the 14th century, the chief and senior line of the family established themselves at Rathmullan Castle. The progenitor of this branch was a man named Moroch, and in the year 1516, one member of the family built a castle in Rathmullan, so on and so forth. Looks like one of the last of the line was Tirloch MacSweeney, alive in the year 1768. And this sept possessed territory in County Donegal and claimed descent from an ancient Irish king that died in 628. Here we see the ruins of Rathmullan Castle. Another branch, MacSweeney Fanad, I'm not even going to pronounce this, was a cadet sept of the senior house. And it looks like Egan Og, Chief MacSweeney, alive in the year 1591, was part of this branch. Coat of arms and crest was borne by Captain Daniel Gorm MacSweeney, who died in 1638. And he was son and heir of Daniel MacSweeney. Another branch, MacSweeney Fanad, cadet branch of the senior line, spread to Rathmullan Castle on the western coast. And a branch became high constables to the O'Conors and to the Butlers, Earls of Ormond. And later this branch settled in Prince Edward Island in Canada. One registered in Ireland. Wasn't able to find this one. There are numerous possibilities that we list below. Sweeney of Ballyteak in Clohammon and Wexford in Dublin, Ireland. They descended from Reverend Miles Sweeney of Ballydedmond, who was born in 1645. He was the son of Owen MacSweeney of Kinsale in County Cork, he himself had sons William, born 1671, a lawyer, and Owen, born 1676, who we see here in an oil painting. He was a playwright who went to London in 1706 to manage the Queen's Theatre in the Haymarket. And same coat of arms with a different crest. Likely belonged to, one crest belonged to one of the members and another crest to one of the others. Not sure who bore which crest. Sweeney of Bolger's Park in Canada. There was Dr. John Patrick Sweeney, born 1894, Director of Public Health in Bermuda, son of Jeremiah Sweeney, and he had 3 children himself, including Richard Patrick Mingo Sweeney, captain in the Canadian Army. MacSweeney of Marshannaglass. There was Brian McOwen MacSweeney of Marshannaglass, who had daughter Mary, who married into the O'Callaghan family around the year 1600. And later there was Patrick MacSweeney, born 1791, professor of moral theology and president of the Irish College in Paris, France, who died at the family home of Ballyvolane House in County Cork. And his brother Daniel MacSweeney was also a scholar and theologian, sons of Patrick MacSweeney. And we have Peter Paul MacSweeney, born around the year 1810, a retailer and politician who was elected Lord Mayor of Dublin in 1864. I believe this is his photograph here. He was son of John MacSweeney of Cork, who was born around the year 1780. Coat of arms and crest granted in 1773 to Alexander MacSween, an attorney in, it's spelled wrong, it should be Granada, and owner of the Grand Mall Estates. He was a slave owner, had brother Hugh MacSween and son Charles MacSween. MacSween Knapdale, a branch founded by Tirloch, a younger brother of Donnell and son of Muir. Much later, there was Jeremiah MacSweeney, alive in the year 1887, son of Reverend Patrick Morgan MacSweeney. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, link in the description. Thank you very much.